Hi guys, it's Terry. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're one of my older subscribers, welcome back. Today is another quick video. You guys can tell I kind of keep my videos down kind of short. But anyway, today we will be making one of these. Now, don't be all judgy. I'm just saying. But we will be making one of these, and it is one of those pouches that you put on the back of your phone, and you can put money in here, and you can put it's perfect for the size of a credit card or a gift card, a debit card, and they stick. This one has the 3M tape on the back, and it sticks to the back of your wallet. So like if you're going out and you just grab your phone, you can put some money in here, your debit card, credit card, ID, or whatever, and then it's stuck to the back of your phone. So kind of convenient, kind of cute. Yes, it does say what you think it says. So that's what we'll be doing. If anybody was wondering, this blank came from Conde. You can get them. You can buy 1, 10, 500, however many you need. There's no set amount. The more you buy, the cheaper it is, though. And so there's that. Oops. You also need your sublimation printer with the sublimation ink, of course, and a heat press. And I don't know how many of these I bought. I've had these for a long time. And I started making them, and then I made a couple for gifts, and then that was it. Okay, so they come packaged up like this. Nice little bag. And you can open it up. And also, this is a screen cleaner. So once the image is on here, you just peel it off like this. You can wipe your screen and then stick it back on there, and it fits perfectly. Now, how long do these last? I'm not sure. Because I've never actually stuck one to my phone. So this one is going to be mine. I am going to stick it to my phone, and we shall see how long this lasts. So basically, I just want to peel this off, and then this is what we're going to sublimate on this piece right here. And then this is my image, and if you've watched my last video, you've seen this before. I just like this saying right now. I think that's so me. And when you sublimate, I try and use the whole paper, otherwise it just goes to waste. So I made more than one copy of an image, and it is in reverse. You have to reverse it. And so I think I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to take, because I can kind of see through it, kind of see the image through it a little bit. Sorry guys, having a moment. So I think you can see the image through it a little bit, and so I'm going to try and line it up that way. And I noticed, like with this one, I cut the paper. You can see where I pressed the paper around it, and I don't want that indentation. It leaves an indentation, so it's a tight fit. This image just happened. I did not print this image to fit on here, but it does fit. Alright, so there's that. And so I'm just gonna get me a little bit of tape, just a little. Now, it's been so long since I pressed this, I don't even remember, to be honest, y'all. Right, so I'm going to tape that like that. And then, this is real time here, guys. I'm going to place this on here and this over it, and I'm going to go to my heat press. So hang tight for about a minute. I'll be right back. And my heat press is set on 350 and it has light pressure. Barely any pressure at all. And so I didn't set a timer, which I should have. Probably at about 40 seconds right now. 40 seconds. And you guys are like, what? Yep. Now we're at 30 seconds. And it may not even take that long. But like I said, the pressure is really light. Because I didn't want the... like this one has a indentation around it. Where the paper didn't go over. But because I didn't actually cut a new image, I just used what I had. Hopefully this will work out. We're down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay. Alright guys, I am turning off my heat press because I'm done for right now. Alright, there's my image. Now you want to stop. Okay. There's my image. And it's hot. It is hot, y'all. So, just going to fill this up. Try not to move the image too much because you can get ghosting. Oh, and I still got it. Ugh. Still got that indenting. But I will figure that out. See, now it's, well, it looked faded to begin with, but now it's even more faded. And then here is my image. Okay, and then there's a plastic backing on the back of this. You can peel that off. And then you just take this and place it over back in its space on this little wallet holder thingy. And then you're going to take it and peel this off. Ooh, that's pretty sticky. Okay, I'm not going to do it now because this is not the phone I want to stick it on. But I am going to stick it on my phone. Matter of fact, I can do that now. This is the phone that I want to stick it on. And then I got like dots. Okay. Put these guys up. Stick this right here. y'all. It is on the back of my phone case now. Oh, it's stuck really good. Ooh, that is stuck really good. So it's on there now. And I don't know if they sell these separately. I don't think they do. But see, you can still see the line. That's why I wanted the paper to go over, but that's okay. I know better. But there it is, y'all. Isn't it cute? I thought it was cute. So that's it for today. Hope everybody's having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.